Industrial Source was founded in 1945. We're a fourth generation business. We started out with gases and welding supplies, and that's still a lot of our core business. We've recently expanded into the cannabis market. We support them through some of our same gases that we've always sold on the welding supply side of things, but now we're into hydrocarbons for extraction, alcohols, and dry ice as well. We've gone through a lot of changes in Springfield since we started here. We've put in a lab, which we're standing in right now. We use this lab for the cannabis industry primarily to check the purities of the hydrocarbons that we're selling. That's our main issue that we're doing right now with it. We're able to verify the percentage purity of the hydrocarbons that you're getting, and we test for impurities down in parts per million. The other things that we're doing here as far as improvements is we put in a dry ice machine. We can deliver about 1,800 plus pounds an hour with that. We also put in an entire hydrocarbon fill plant recently. We have 12,000 gallons of capacity in instrument grade butane, isobutane, and propane. When we're filling hydrocarbons at Industrial Source, there's some key things that we do that we try to differentiate ourselves with. We actually hook the tank up to a vacuum, and we pull a vacuum on it down to 25 inches of mercury to make sure that all the impurities, as much as possible, are drawn from that tank. And then when we turn around and fill it, then we're ensuring that we're only putting that pure, clean product in there and no contamination with it. The other thing that we do is we fill them all in certified scales so that you're sure that you're getting exactly what you've paid for. And all of our mixes we guarantee to be accurate, plus or minus 2%. And we also have a very robust system of barcoding and lot numbering of our cylinders, so we all know where all of our cylinders are at all times. The customer can always find out any sort of COA they need on a cylinder, and we can verify the contents always.
It's really crucial to have a good supply of solvent that is showing up consistently when you need it, because anytime you have downtime, it's costing you money. Also, you need to be able to get good quality solvent because cleanliness is everything. We're working with a really high quality product and a really high grade extraction technique that yields us with oil that has a really high clarity. So anytime there's any kind of residual byproduct or like rust or oils from manufacturing or what have you, anytime you have that, it shows up in the final product. You'll see it in the extract. We get good clean gas from industrial, and then we actually distill it ourselves a couple times before we use it. You can really notice a difference though when you distill some gas that you get from online or something like that versus something good quality. You can really see like all of the residual that's left in it. When you have low quality gas, you can really tell, like you can definitely tell like immediately. We've been working with Industrial Source for probably 4 or 5 years now at this point. And we like them because they consistently can supply us with dry ice and with butane. We get a delivery at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. But yeah, they're awesome. They show up consistently right when we need them at a pre-scheduled time. And yeah, I mean, we wouldn't be able to do it without them dropping off the goods. And it's also good quality too. We've gotten dry ice from other companies that dissipates really fast and melts really fast. So one of the advantages to getting it from industrial is that it's fresh. They're making it right up the street in Springfield, so we're getting it, as fresh as possible now. So it really lasts a lot longer. So you're getting more value for what you're paying for.
When I talk about Industrial Source, we're really talking about customer service. Customer first is not, just a tagline for us. It's what we live, it's what we breathe, it's what our company is founded on. We pride ourselves on taking care of our customers and taking care of our communities. We all live here. We all live in the communities that we're working in, that we're serving in, and it matters to us.